In this video, I will be installing and configuring the meta tag module in Drupal 8. So what is meta tag module? The meta tag module allows you to automatically provide structured metadata, also known as meta tags, about a website. In the context of search engine optimization (SEO), when people refer to meta tags, they are usually referring to the meta description tag and the meta keywords tag that may help made them improve the rankings and display of a site in search engine results. In addition, the module provides support for meta tags, Open Graph Protocol from Facebook, Twitter cards from Twitter. These are some examples that allow control of how content appears when shared on social network. So what is Open Graph Protocol? The Open Graph Protocol enables any web page to become a rich object in a social graph. For instance, this is used on Facebook to allow any web page to have the same functionality as any other object on Facebook. So basic metadata for OG protocol is OG colon title, the title of your object as it should appear within the graph. Example, the rock. OG, the second is the OG colon type, the type of your object, example video dot movie, depending on the type you specify. Other properties may also be required. Third is the OG colon image, an image URL which should represent our object within the graph. And fourth is the OG colon URL, the canonical URL of your object that will be used as the permanent ID in the graph. So what is the token module? So tokens are specially formatted chunks of text that serve as placeholders for a dynamically generated value. Here's a really simple example. You want to display a welcome message to users of your site and you want it to be personalized. So how about you add their name, and instead of just saying welcome, you can say welcome Joe. So let's get started. So here I will be creating a dummy site on sports. Then I will be configuring the meta tag in it. So let us build the site first. I'll first make a content type. I'll go to structure, content types, and I'll add sports info of sports and sport info of the sport, and I'll leave it and just remove the main navigation. Save and manage fields. So now the content type sport has been added. So now I'll add a field of image. So add a field and image label. I'll write image sport. Save and continue. So I'll just leave it as it is. Save field settings. Updated field image sport field settings. So I'll just leave it. I'll just see the settings. So the image sport field has been added here. So I'll manage display and I'll just drag it and bring it here. Yes, and make it hidden. Now I'll save it. So now we'll go back to the site and now we'll add the content. Add content, sport. So title, I'll write cricket and I have some dummy text with me about cricket. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here. I also have a photo of it. Cricket. Mm, yes. Now I'll save it. Oh, alternate text. I'll write cricket. Now I'll add one more sport. I'll add one more sport. Basketball. And I'll add a content. Oh, sorry. I'll copy it and just paste it here. I'll add image. Alternative text, basketball, and save it. So now I will add. Uh, first, I have to add a view for it. First, I will hide. First, I will hide the photo image. Manage display. It's hidden. I'll check it and save. So I'll now add a view for it. So I'll add a view. View sports content type sport. Create a page and leave it like this only. Create a menu link of sports and save. So it will look somewhat like this. So I'll save it from here. So the view sports has been saved. I'll go back to the site. So see basketball, badminton, cricket. So it has been created. So now I will just show you the meta tags. So see, these are the meta tags. These are the meta tags like meta name mobile optimized, content width, meta name handheld friendly, true, and like here meta name generator, Drupal 8, Drupal.org, and meta http equiv refresh. So we can change all of them. So let's do it. We'll go to drupal.org, drupal.org, and go to modules and search for meta tag, and just click on this first link, scroll down and download the start.gz. I will save it and go back here, go to extend, install new module, and in the downloads, meta tag, I'll just open it and install it. Mm, Here in the extend, I will check for meta tag. So the meta tag has been installed here. So I'll just click here. So it also requires the token module. So I'll go to the drupal.org site and I'll just search for token module. Token. And we'll download and we'll just install the tar.gz file. Save it. Go here and install new module. Browse and token. Token. I must be having this token. I'll just check. So yes, I have already downloaded a token earlier. I'll just open that and I'll install it. Enable newly added modules. So I'll just scroll down. I'll just enable token, meta tag Facebook, and meta tag open graph, and install it. So now, just as I showed you earlier, that we can change all these meta tags, meta names, and all of these meta tags. So for this, we will have to go to configuration and just scroll down, and in the search and metadata, we'll find after we enable the meta tag open protocol Facebook and token, we'll find a meta tag link here under the search and metadata. Click that link. So this page helps us to configure our meta tags for different types like global and front page and content also. So we'll edit the global first. So page title. So it's up to use. It means the page title means that current page title, which is the edit default meta tags, and the sports. Sports is the site name, so sports. So you can change it as per your convenience, and you can also browse available tokens, which is necessary though. Like here, you can put site name. Site name is there, and current page. So I'll just remove it from here, and I'll just put the site name here. Site name. So I'll just remove it. So in the description, I'll mention information about sports. Abstract is the same as what is description. So keyword, yes, keywords is something important. So what is keywords? Keywords means that if a person types something like sport on the search here, like I will type sport. So our website must show here. Our website must be seen here so that the person can see our website. So we have to add keyword so that the person, if the person enters this word, our website must be shown in the search engine. So I'll add sport, and I'll just add cricket, basketball, badminton. So I'll just leave the advanced. You can, in the advanced, there are short link URL, standout generator, image, rating, refresh, rights. There are a lot of there. So I'll just minimize this, and I will now open this open graph. The open graph meta tags are used to control how Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and social networking sites interpret the site's content. So the determiner, I'll just add, see, I'll just browse available tokens. So I'll just choose the site name here. Site name, determiner. Oh, sorry, I've made a mistake here. You have to leave the determiner. On the site name, you will add the site name. In the content type, I will add sports. Page URL, I will write current page URL. The title, I will add different sports. Here I will write mm, three kinds. Oh, I'll just change it and sports played worldwide. And you can also add the image here. So I will just search for the image from net and just sports images. Mm, you can pick anyone. Just pick a good one from here. I this one. I'll just copy the link. I'll just paste it here. Here, after pasting it, you can see here you can add the video URL and image type, video type, and longitude, latitude, country informations. So I'll just leave it. Facebook also, it's the same only. Facebook admins and Facebook pages, Facebook application ID. I'll just leave it for now. Well, I'll save it. So the global meta tag saved. The global meta tag has been saved. Now we will edit the front page. So here I don't need this advanced open graph. I'll just open basic tags. So page title is sports and info of different sports. Description is different, different worldwide. I'll leave the abstract, it's the same only. In the keywords, I'll add sports, cricket, badminton, basketball, and badminton. So now, so we'll just save it, and now we'll go back to the site. So here you can see this has been changed, the title has been changed. Sports, different info of different sports that we just changed, that we just added it in the front page. So now let's change it for the content. We'll go back to the configuration, meta tag, and now we'll edit the content. Oh, sorry, no, we'll just save it, leave it. We'll, for the content, we have to add default meta tags. I will select the type, sport, basic tags here. I will write current page title and site name. It's okay. Here I'll just browse the available tokens. Here I will write current page title, information about current page title. Yes. So we'll leave the abstract and the keywords. We'll add current page title and sports. Same goes for the open graph. We just did it earlier. And for the Facebook. So I'm just leaving it where I'm saving here. So now we'll go back to the site and we'll click on any of the sports, like I'm playing basketball. So yes, here you can see that it has been changed, basketball and then sports, that we just changed now earlier. So it has been changed. So I'll just open this. Yes, so this we have changed all of the meta tags. As I told you earlier, OG type, OG URL, OG title, like OG type sports, OG URL, it's taking us to node 3. Like here, it is taking us to node 3, basketball sports. So this is how it's working here, and OG title different sports. So this is how meta tag works in Drupal 8. Thank you.